Smile greetings. I am Mamta Agarwal, Suchok therapist and lecturer, executive committee member of International Suchok Association, practicing in Hyderabad, India. I am introducing Suchok therapy found by Professor Park Jae-woo of South Korea. He has been coming to India every year and explaining about the therapies. Professor is not with us anymore, but his therapies are keeping us alive and lightened. Suchok, this is a Korean word. Su means hand and chok means feet. So all the ailments are treated on the palm area or on the foot area of a person. This is how we are treating patients every day. Today we have come up with a very special therapy. With the help of Suchok, we'll be beating the heat and welcoming the summer with open arms. So here is a small remedy to get rid of different ailments because of the summer. This is the ice cube therapy, in which we'll be using a few pieces of ice to get rid of different types of ailments. And the procedure to help yourself in this will be keep the ice on your left hand in the center of the palm, and the other hand, that is the right hand fingers, will be dipped in the ice. So the fingertips are in the ice and the left hand palm is having ice. After few seconds you might feel uncomfortable, so kindly change it as a left hand fingertips goes in the ice and the right hand center will have the ice cube. So as per Suchok correspondence, the center of the palm is the navel and the fingertips are the head area. So you are cooling the navel area as well as the head area because of the heat. So you are helping yourself with different types of ailments like gastric problems, acidity, migraine, too much of heat in the air which you cannot take it, vomiting, nausea, gastric problem, acidity, and most important, the sunstroke. So this is how you can take care of yourself in the coming heat and welcome it with open arms. Suchok therapy is a natural way of healing with no side effects and no intake of any medications. Still, we need to take precautions while doing Suchok therapy. So the first precaution to be taken is doing the therapy after having a proper meal. If you are fasting or you are hungry for 2-3 days, kindly do not do Suchok therapy. Number 2, please do not do Suchok when you are in pregnancy. Number 3, if you've had a long day and 2-3 nights without sleep or you are having insomnia problems, please do not treat yourself with Suchok therapy. Go to a proper practitioner who can help you. Number 4, you have to be very careful when you are doing Suchok, when you are not allowed to do under any addictions. These are the small precautions when you have to take when you are doing Suchok therapy. Smile, thanks.